Pretty much have camp, well, broke down. I still need to pack it onto the bike. No big deal there. Feel much better this morning. Pretty crappy night of sleep though. Discovered right away that somehow I got a hole in my brand new air mattress. You see the sun's coming up over here. Oh, there we go. Yep, it's probably, I don't know, about 6:30, 6:45. So I'm gonna brush my hair, brush my teeth. Wait, need a little bit of food first. Then I'm gonna do those things. Get everything packed right. Let's go ride bikes on 104th. Off trying to find the main road, kind of out in the desert doing circles here. Hope it's not literally circles, but yeah, I keep hitting these really sandy areas. I can't get off. There's only one way to do it. Ooh, those are prickly looking. I don't even know what those are. I don't want to touch them. Those are nasty looking. I don't know what they are. Are they sharp? Not as sharp as they look. They look more threatening than they really are. Found the main road, 79. If you look at the Strava map for day 2, probably looks like I'm doing a little bit of circles, but yeah, the road wasn't where I was expecting it to be. On the road again. It's been, I don't know, about 12-14 hours since I've been on the road again. I just got about 30 miles of a constant uphill at a 1-2% grade. You almost can't tell it exists. It's just enough to make you feel like you got a flat tire or something. Stopped off here real quick to take a break. Had to put on my arm pantyhose. Sun's kicking my butt today. Yesterday was much better with all the clouds. Anyways, I smoked a joint, ate a granola bar, drank a little bit. I'm gonna get back onto the pavement. I'm gonna try to stay off the dirt roads. I'm making a pretty bad average. I think I'm averaging like 5 miles per hour. The road's really sandy and it crosses a lot of dry streams that got about 1.5 feet sand in. And of course you gotta walk those, but yep, onward and forth to Tucson. Just pedaling along. Whew. Man, blacktop is some warm stuff. Just straight desert road and desert, more desert. I would not recommend this to anybody in the middle of the summer. I'd definitely say that much. Something Arizona's known for is its heat. This is November and I'm sweating. It was actually hot last night in my sleeping bag too. A lot of times I actually unzipped it and stuck my leg out. Stopped off here real quick at the Tom Mix Memorial. This guy died in 1940. He was a real big actor back then. Made a lot of westerns and stuff like that. Was a big name in Hollywood. Anyways, the guy was heading back from Tucson. He had kind of like a sporty car, and it had right behind him a little overhead carrying area. He had a big old metal suitcase in there. Unfortunately, one of the bridges was out. He went into the wash. He probably would have survived it, but the metal suitcase came back behind him, hit him in the head, and took him out. That was the end of him. Unfortunately, when they built this rest stop, they put it in as picnic areas. There's absolutely no water, no bathrooms or anything of that sort. So pretty much as I thought, there's nowhere to refill my water along this route. Good times, good times. Anyways, rest in peace, Tom Mix. Here was where he actually died. This is the wash. I believe he was heading out of Tucson. He could have been heading to Tucson. Anyways, he was heading down this road. And that's the wash where the bridge was out. About 25 miles in, keep having to stop at these little bushes like this. I keep overheating between pedaling and the sun being into my face. And quite hot. Got about 1 and 1.5 water bottles left. Hopefully that should be all right. I had to sacrificed a little bit to try to cool myself off. I soaked my arm sleeves and my neck gaiter here. I think I got some grass in my freaking butt while I was crouched down in the shadow. Ow! I sure do. Dang it. That's kind of a pain in the ass. Now that I picked all the grass out of my shorts, hopefully, yeah, I should have about 6 more miles of the uphill gradient, and then there should hopefully be a slight downhill gradient. It's not much, but it's enough to kick my butt with the sun. I'm telling you, the sun's draining my energy more than riding the bike. Oh. Remember, kids, the desert, the sun is trying to kill you. It wants you dead. It wants to cook you like a raisin, drain all the energy and all the water out of you. Yeah, I'm having rough times. Using this tiny bit of shade here at the side of the road, thanks to this Palo Verde tree. I tried getting under a couple of the washes, but Arizona has them so bob-wired off and everything. Wasn't able to get under there. I got down to my last bottle of water, so I got about 32 ounces. Drinking water like crazy. I may have to wish for rain or do a rain dance or something. Shit. No, hopefully I should be all right. Hopefully I got like a mile more of this steady up crap, and then hopefully to start going into downhill. I made it to Oracle Junction here. Whew, man, that was a hard 30 miles uphill. That sun was eating me alive. First stop, I got Luke's Fine Mexican food. Oh, they hooked me up with some nice ice water. I'm probably gonna sit here in the shade for a while. My body's being quite punished at the moment. Some all kinds of weird thoughts coming at that hill. It's down to like maybe a quarter thing of water. Yeah, I consumed way more water than I thought I would. Guess on the way back, I don't end up getting a Greyhound or something. Greyhounds take bikes? I don't even know. You ever coming down 77 or 79? These guys are real cool. Unfortunately, I don't really eat much Mexican food, so I tried to see if they had ice cream, but apparently there's a station 4 miles down that has ice cream, so you're gonna definitely hit that up. I feel better now. Then again, I'm going downhill. I have water, so yeah, that makes quite a difference. The mountain range you see right off over there, that is Mount Lemon. Doing good. How about yourself?
Road riding, huh?
Yeah, I came in from Peoria.
Very good.
Almost died on that highway.
Yeah.
Fortunately, all they had is the big cups of ice cream. I was looking for, like, you know, popsicle or ice cream cone or something like that, but whatever. Starting to think there's no welcome to Tucson sign, but anyways, yeah, I made it, guys. Tucson, check it out. Mount Lemon right up behind. I don't know how you can see it. Be over there, but yeah, it's Mount Lemon. Got my room, heading towards it now. Staying at the Best Western. I'm happy I didn't die in the desert. I was starting to question it there for a while. That That was not easy, guys. I'm telling you, I'm not gonna lie. I'd like to admit to, oh, that was no problem, but there for a while, climbing that climb, I was definitely missing my e-bike. I'm not gonna lie. Oh man, because when you get tired, you just lay on that engine. Let's see what $110 gets you in Tucson. Hey, that don't look too bad. Not too shabby. Got the bed. Oh, it's gonna be much better. Much better than the air mattress. What else we got? We got a couch. Oh, that's gonna be nice too. Having something to support my back. A little mini fridge, of course. A little standard. Oh man, there I am. Man, I look rough. Man, I can't imagine how much of that is dirt on my face. Closet. Nothing special in there. What's the fan? Alright, and a shower. Nice, and it's above my head. Go back and watch some of my previous 4 videos. The Flagstaff one had a shower that wasn't above my head. Nice, I'll take it. All right, and this is what it's all for right here. Oh, I'm so hungry. And I got a Pepsi. Okay, that was probably one of the harder riding days I've ever had in my life. It was 50 some miles. I'm changing the route tomorrow. I'm gonna end up shooting all the way over to the west side of Tucson, at least where the Highway 10 is, and then I'm gonna shoot up from there, going up to 10. Luckily it has a side road, access road, I guess it would be. And then I'm gonna head towards Coolidge, and anyways, the route will be a little bit different. Should be a lot easier on me. Legs are getting tired without a rest day, so I don't really want to pay 2 days in that hotel. But yeah, I'll probably look for a campsite. Well, if I'm really busted before Coolidge, hopefully I can make it after Coolidge. I can find somewhere to camp that's not on somebody's land. Yep. Till tomorrow.